Everyone thinks the best-selling stand mixer for bread dough is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Kitchen in the Box Black. The Kitchen in the Box stand mixer in black caught my eye for its compact size and affordable price of $88.59. If you want a reliable mixer without taking up too much space, this is worth a serious look. This mixer is designed for everyday bakers. With a 2 QT capacity, it's perfect for whipping up dough for a loaf or two. The 6 speed settings allow you to mix everything from thick bread dough to whipped cream. Plus, it features a tilt-head design that makes it easy to access the bowl and attachments. If you're tired of messy counters, the transparent splash shield is a nice touch that helps keep things tidy. Now, some people have mentioned that this mixer struggles with very heavy doughs. Here's the thing though, if you're baking for a small family or just starting out, you likely won't need a mountain of dough. This mixer is perfect for those lighter tasks. This is perfect for you if you're in a small kitchen or just starting your baking journey. Skip this one if you're a professional baker needing to handle large batches. For the price, it offers solid value without compromising on essential features. Now, if the 2 QT capacity felt too small for your needs, the next one might be a better fit. Product number 2, Kitchen in the Box Blue. Next up is the Kitchen in the Box stand mixer, but this time in a fresh blue color, also priced at $88.59. If color options and compactness are important to you, this one deserves your attention. Just like the black model, this mixer features a 2 QT stainless steel bowl and 6 speed settings. It's lightweight at under 7 pounds, making it easy to store in small spaces. The anti-splash lid is a lifesaver for those who hate cleaning up spills. With the included dough hook and whisk, you've got everything you need for baking without the mess. That said, some users have pointed out that the mixer could be a bit underpowered for very thick doughs. But honestly, if you're mainly making bread for personal use, this mixer gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you love a stylish kitchen gadget that doesn't take much space. Skip this one if you're baking larger quantities regularly. At this price, you're getting a solid mixer with a bit of flair. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious home bakers. Product number 3, VIVOHOME Red. The VIVOHOME stand mixer in bright red is a step up at $177.19. If you want more power and capacity, this one is definitely worth considering. With a robust 660W motor, this mixer can handle the heaviest dough without breaking a sweat. The 10-speed settings give you flexibility, allowing you to knead, mix, and whip with ease. Plus, the planetary mixing action ensures everything is evenly mixed, which is crucial for bread dough. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit loud during operation. But I'll be real with you, that's a common trait with powerful mixers. The performance you get makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you regularly bake for a family or enjoy larger projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. For the features and capacity, it's a great investment for serious home bakers. Now, if the bright red isn't your style, check out this next one that offers similar power but in a sleek black finish. Product number 4, VIVOHOME Black. Another strong contender is the VIVOHOME stand mixer in a classic black color, priced slightly higher at $182.26. If you prefer a more understated look but still want top performance, this is a solid choice. Like its red counterpart, this black version boasts a powerful 660W motor and a spacious 6 QT bowl. The tilt-head design and splash guard make adding ingredients a breeze, while the quiet operation is appreciated during longer mixing sessions. The included egg separator is a nice bonus for baking enthusiasts. However, some users mention that it's a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But honestly, if you're serious about baking, the benefits far outweigh the size consideration. This is perfect for you if you love baking and want a reliable mixer that can handle anything. Skip this one if counter space is a major concern. For the quality and features, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something that combines functionality with a compact design, the last product on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Classic. Lastly, we have the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer, which is priced at $79.73. If you're looking for versatility in one compact appliance, this could be the one for you. This mixer is great because it combines a stand mixer and a hand mixer into one device, making it perfect for those who need flexibility. The 4QT stainless steel bowl is spacious enough for various mixing tasks, and the 6 speed settings make it easy to find the right speed for whatever you're mixing. The bowl's side-to-side movement ensures thorough mixing, which is especially useful for bread dough. However, a few users found the motor a bit underwhelming for heavy dough. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily baking lighter recipes or cookies, this mixer excels. This is perfect for you if you want a 2-in-1 mixer without taking too much space. Skip this one if you regularly deal with very thick doughs. For the price, it offers excellent value and functionality. In conclusion, each of these mixers has its unique strengths. Whether you need a compact option like the kitchen-in-the-box models, robust power from VIVOHOM, or the dual functionality of Hamilton Beach, there's a right fit for every kind of baker. In conclusion, if you're just starting out, the kitchen-in-the-box models are great compact options. For those who need more power, the VIVOHOME mixers stand out with their capacity and performance. And if versatility is key, the Hamilton Beach Classic does it all. Think about what you really need in a stand mixer, and you're sure to find the right fit for your baking adventures.